Right.
I think we are live. Just give me a minute.
Yes, we are live now, Uncle. So, hello and welcome everyone for Let's Talk, the session which we have started from Awam. The session is about to talk with parents, grandparents, uh, mm, all therapists and all. So today the session is very special. As you all know,
Not hearing you. I'm not hearing you.
is it okay, Uncle? No. Is it okay, Uncle?
No.
Hello. Uncle, am I audible now? Hello, everyone. Let's welcome to the live video, live chats with in Let's Talk with our. Is it okay, Uncle? Can you hear me?
Do you hear me? I cannot hear you still.
Yeah, I can hear you.
I can't hear you still.
You cannot hear me?
I cannot hear you still.
Yeah, I can hear you.
I can't hear you.
You cannot hear me? Can you hear me now? Hello? Hi everyone. I think there is certain issues with
I'm not
so just
hearing them.
be patient.
They are listening.
We
me.
will start.
She's listening. Me. I'm on. It is on live now, but I'm still not able to hear her.
It's okay, Uncle.
It is
We
full
will
volume
hear.
here. I'm a full volume here.
आपने यहाँ पे म्यूट नहीं कर रखा है?
I'm यहाँ भी full volume है, और यहाँ भी I'm okay. My mic is on. She is listening to me.
पर वो
टेलीफोन में तो ऑन नहीं किया है, ऑडियो को क्लिक करना
एक्चुअली इनकमिंग ऑडियो म्यूट करने का भी ऑप्शन होता है।
नहीं, इसमें नहीं है. I don't know, because we talked.
स्टार्ट किया था तब बात हो रही थी.
अब आ रहे? नहीं, अभी नहीं आ रहा है।
तुमने म्यूट कर दिया. I'm muted now.
So yeah.
Yeah, sir. Awam Trust, they have muted me.
नहीं, आप माइक से ऑन है। ईयरफोन्स ट्राई कर सकते हो नीचे जैक के साथ।
Earphone.
यहाँ से उठाओ, देखो यहाँ रखा है चप्पा।
It is showing that Awam Trust is on mute.
Is it okay
Now
now?
it is showing it's okay, but I'm still not hearing.
Can you hear me now, uncle? Is it okay? No?
वो कहाँ से लगा?
Some problem somewhere.
It's okay, uncle. It's okay. We will sort it out. Or else we can carry it.
You
Can you hear me now, uncle?
No.
I can hear you now with the hearing aid with this headphone.
Okay, you can share. You can share one ad to
Okay.
auntie also.
Chalo.
Yeah, auntie has already smashed it.
Can you hear now?
Yeah.
Now it's okay. Okay. You can
Okay.
do that.
Okay. So, welcome everyone, as many people are watching us now. So, let me tell everyone briefly that we have started this Let's Talk with today's Let's Talk is very special, as you all know, that we people love our grandparents, so as our kids also. And with us today is our grandparents of our darling Roshnis, Sisir Kanta uncle and Pramila auntie. Auntie and uncle, namaste and welcome. And thank
Namaste.
you for
Namaste.
giving your consent for sharing your journey in Awam with Let's Talk. So let us start, uncle, today. Tell us something about you.
Oh, nothing very particular. Very ordinary life. In brief, did my engineering from IIT Kharagpur in mechanical engineering. Did a job till the age of 60. When I was 60-year-old, that time Roshni came. I had, well, but before that, much before that, I got married to a very beautiful woman in 1967.
That's true.
And we had our thinking up and down, this goes on. I had one daughter and then one son. And job profile was nice. Started my business at particular stage on turbines and service and spares. That went on till I was 60. That is when I heard, that is when Roshni was born in 2000. So in 2002,
Okay, so how old is Roshni now?
Roshni is now 20.
20 years old. Okay.
Born in 2000, so easy to calculate the age.
Yeah. It's 2020. Yeah.
Yeah. And the first time we heard about autism when she was 2 years old in 2002.
Okay, so at the year of 2 years, when Roshni attained 2 years, then only you have noticed certain changes in Roshni. Right, uncle?
Yes, that time, to be honest, it was not like that. Actually, I love children and I have very good observation with children. So when she was born, maybe a week or two, then only we started feeling that something is missing. She was not responding to the movements of light or anything. But then we didn't know what it was. My favorite dialogue used to be, दिमाग के कुछ तार हैं जो जुड़ नहीं रहे हैं, समय आने पर शायद जुड़ जाएंगे बाद में, but we didn't know what it was.
Hmm. So, what was your reaction, uncle? Like, did you did you went for, or did your daughter went for any medical advice or anything after that?
Good.
She herself is a doctor, so
Yeah, that's true.
we don't know if ever she consulted someone or she thought it is this way. I don't know, but we too we never consulted any doctor.
Okay.
She
So,
mentioned a word that she is autism. But at that time and their time,
hmm,
autism was not taught to medical students.
hmm,
It was
hmm,
not in the syllabus. In this thick book, there was this small paragraph on
hmm,
autism. That's all.
hmm. Hmm. So, Uncle, we have heard a lot about other parents and other grandparents that they don't know the word autism, so they don't know. It's your journey. You take part, you go. But you have set one example in our society in stepping out for Roshni and giving an example to all the grandparents that it's not only parents' journey, it's the journey of grandparents also. When they will also come along, then the journey will be better. So, how was your reaction, uncle and auntie, when you come to know about Roshni's like autism and all?
It was neutral. I didn't know what autism is. My daughter was taking care of everything. And then we found there was one lady here, Indrani Basu in Calcutta, very old one, very well
Yeah.
known in autism field. She heard from somebody. She used to take Roshni there, and then in about a month or 2 months time, maybe 2.5, 3 months time, she stopped taking Roshni there. Actually, am I audible?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, so we were my daughter with her husband and children. Roshni had an elder sister also, so they were staying separately, but within walking distance, maybe about 2 minutes walk from each other's place. But then she stopped when we noticed that she is not taking Roshni to Indrani Basu, so we talked to her. Now, what she said was very revealing. She said, "Papa, I have my job.
Hmm.
Mind you, that was the beginning of a career. She was still
Yeah.
establishing. I
Hmm.
have got my job, I've got my practice.
Hmm.
And then after all that, I come and take Roshni there. So I'm getting stressed.
Hmm.
And I'm not able to give any time to my elder one, Aditi. Mind you, Aditi is 4 years older, but that time she was 6 years.
Hmm.
And she noticed that Aditi at that age started thumb sucking and even bedwetting.
Okay.
So that became an alarm bell. That gave an alarm bell that with Roshni, I will do this much and the result will be this much.
Hmm.
But here there's a girl for whom even if I do this much, I may get a result this much, but I'm not getting it. I'm losing her also. So everybody has limitations. I too have limitations. I have to choose. And that was the time when me and Pramila decided that after all, what for we? We have done our job, our innings we have played, we have done business. Enough money we have earned to look for our old age. Now, so why not to step in there and take little burden off my daughter's shoulders? Then I started reading, learning about that. And within 2 years, we both felt quite confident.
Hmm.
So much so. And then we told her that you
Okay.
and your husband,
Hmm.
you establish your career. Now you forget about Roshni, we will take care.
It's a great thing, uncle. Many parents generally they said that you stop your career, don't look at your career because you have to check your or see your daughter now, right? So you have done a great thing, uncle, at that time.
No, I couldn't get the
Yeah.
second part of your question.
So no, uncle, it's not question. I just told
I mean,
that.
second part of statement. Second part of
Yeah,
your statement. Huh?
yeah, Jet, you have done a great thing, uncle, because many parents, I have heard that they used to tell their kids that, see, we have done our job, now it's your job to check, to look after your kids. Okay, so as you come and you step in the journey of taking care and taking all the responsibility of Roshni, it's a big thing.
Well, life is like that.
Yeah, uncle, please tell me.
So within I started studying what it is. I started studying, started a new innings from that age. When she was 4, even we felt bold enough to take her to Glasgow, where my son was there,
Okay.
and he was expecting the first child. And if we go, then nobody will be able to look after Roshni here.
Hmm.
So we took Roshni along,
Okay.
and we were out for 5-6 months,
Hmm.
and Roshni was with us and all that.
Hmm.
And there we found certain things which we normally are told that our children don't learn from environment. They don't learn from looking from others.
Hmm.
But then we found that it may be true. Yes, it is true, but it is only partly true.
Partly true. Yeah.
Because once we were going in the market area and there are girls short hair, they have a cap because it's very cold in short hairs. So they keep out hair flowing out of the hoodie. And Roshni, as usual, we had the chutia and pleats and all that one.
Yeah. Yeah.
And she saw them, and after some time, she opened it.
Only 4 years.
And
Only
the
four.
children,
And she
very
opened
nice.
her, and she was only 4 years.
Hmm.
So that is how the thing started. We came back and all that. We started studying, and then accidentally we heard about ABA.
ABA. Okay.
Now that was when we before we going to Glasgow, we just heard about ABA, and if I can name, it was Smita Avasthi. I heard her name.
Hmm.
She was in Lucknow, and we were going to Glasgow in last week of November, and this we heard about her on 14th or 15th November. So both of us with Roshni, we rushed to Lucknow to meet her.
Okay.
And met her. She attended for about a week. We saw what it was, came back. One very important observation we made, Roshni was not sleeping till about 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock in the night. She was used to keep awake.
Hmm.
While we were going, she was doing the same thing. And when we came back, she was still awake till late night. But with a little small difference, while we were going, she was babbling throughout.
Okay.
And loudly, which was disturbing other passengers.
Okay.
So I took her I stood with her in the lobby till it was 1 o'clock, and then she came and slept.
Hmm.
But while returning, she was still awake till 1 o'clock, but her babbling has come down.
Hmm.
So I felt that ABA is the way for us. And then we started following, and then the rest.
So just a quick question, uncle. So at that time,
Yeah.
like you have, you have done ABA with Roshni at that time.
From her, after that, when we came back, rather when we were in Glasgow, then also some practice, whatever I learned here,
Some practices.
some practice we did there. But when we came back, then of course it was full time, 5 hours a day, 5 days a week. Because Smita Avasthi had established the institution in Calcutta, so she was regularly going there.
So it's known as BMI.
It was known as
Behavioral
BMI.
BMI.
Yeah.
Yeah. Uncle, as you step in and shouldering all the responsibilities of Roshni's, so what are the major difficulties you have come? Because, uh, see, like young parents and us, we are having a lot of burdens and hurdles at that time. But you, at your age, when you have started doing things with Roshni, so what are the major things you found that it's quite difficult for you guys? Like uncle and aunt, huh?
Practical training,
Practical,
training was
practical,
given by me.
the practical working with her was little difficult when she stepped in most of the things.
Her personal cleanliness and everything, I taught her how to dress up, how to clean yourself, and then even wearing a panty was a challenge.
Hmm.
What is the front and what is the back?
Back, yeah.
Then I found out one day that she never wears pajama wrong way.
Hmm.
Then I thought in the night, why it is so panty, she might wear anyway, leg on the waist and waist on the leg anyway. So I said, why this difference? Then I came to and got the answer myself. That pajama has a clue,
Hmm.
a string which is kept in the front. But panty has no such clue. So I started putting a bow in front of her pant. It's still wear pant. Same way, in the small things, I found out the answers how to teach her. It took time, but it did.
But this thing what auntie told that ये common problem है सबका है, because we also found this with our kids also the same thing.
Yeah.
So auntie and uncle have uh, gone through all those things which we are doing it, and
This is our this was our fourth experience of training children.
yeah, and
Toilet training and everything, fourth time.
My daughter, my son, then Roshni's elder sister. Now this was the fourth one.
but
We learned more.
truly, uncle,
Learned more.
you and auntie had set one example to all the parents, all the grandparents, and nothing is impossible.
And
At any age, you can work for.
no, yes, age is just a number. Frankly, age is just a
Yeah,
number.
correct,
It is
uncle.
the only thing you have to love your children
Hmm.
and
You have to stand for your children.
stand for your children.
That's
That's it.
truly love. That's truly, uncle. So the what?
And many grandparents, which I gone, Mrs. Sound is.
Yeah, it's okay, uncle. Please carry on.
अब आ रही.
अब आ रही है.
Now, the difficulties you asked, the difficulties that you asked, basic difficulty was to get a special educator or a trainer to work at home. Because at that time, there were not many around. Frankly, anybody who would have attended one or two workshops
Hmm.
started claiming I'm ABA trained.
Yeah.
And
Now
we had to
the
work
same thing.
with them. But then every session we were present and saw that. Then it was a struggle day long. Came the targets. And mind you, out of love for the children, many parents keep on saying that socialization is very important.
Hmm.
Sending to school is very important. Children learn a lot of things and all that.
Hmm.
We analyzed a lot of things and it's our decision, not that we are right, but the decision we took is that academics, going to school, be kept in the back burner.
Hmm.
If the child doesn't know how high is Mount Everest or how many oceans are there and how many continents, it doesn't make a difference.
Doesn't make anything. Yeah, correct.
But the child, if not able to dress up, cannot maintain personal hygiene, can't eat herself, then there will be a lot of problems. And we were looking far ahead, and we had patience that not today, what will happen after 20 years? What will happen after 25 years? So our targets were that. So we started on, I should say, independent life, ADL as we call it.
ADLS, activity of daily
ADL.
living.
So our activities of daily living, so our full concentration force was there
Hmm.
till about 2-3 years back, when reasonably lot of things she has learned, small things, crossing the road, that itself is a big issue with our children. On-rushing vehicles come, she should stop and all that. Like this, small things. Only 2 years back, then we sent her to a school for a couple of hours. We started, then we gone into academics through NIOS system,
Okay.
and she has done
Last week.
A level, which is equivalent to class 3.
Hmm.
She is now in B level,
Bill.
and then the pandemic came and the school closed. So now again everything is topsy-turvy. But we are continuing at home now.
And in home, she is totally independent, can dress up herself, take bath and everything. Even she helps me. Like she will take the clothes up the stair for terrace to hang them there, and then bring back and fold them and put in the cupboards, everybody's cupboards. And like putting the utensils, wash utensils in the tall boy, all those things she does. And her fruits and I never cut, she cuts herself.
She cuts
I
everything.
never cut her fruits.
So,
Rather, she helps me in making my bed.
wow.
Making my bed and
Not only that, she does the whole laundry of the whole family. Complete one. Set up the washing machine, wash it, next day morning, take it out. So washing part, we are out.
Auntie has
and
properly
she
trained
knows
her
it is her
granddaughter.
job.
Yeah, Auntie has properly trained her granddaughter. That's so sweet,
Oh,
Auntie.
again, I can't hear you.
I said, Auntie has.
Music.
So, I just tell others that Rosni is a very good singer also. Rosni
Ha,
sings,
she,
yeah. Rosni sings very good songs like Jab Koi Baat Bigad Jaye and all. So, how she has learned singing, Auntie?
we noticed
I
in,
noticed it accidentally. One day she was sitting in the car. I was waiting for him to come to sit in the car. And then I heard she is mumbling some words. And it was कोई क्या था वो? वो उसका था अब तो वैसा कोई है नहीं मिले तो कल्लू मिलन
हाँ,
Okay.
हाँ,
कल्लू मिलन she was
Acha.
singing. I
Acha.
thought, my God, she sings. And then we started promoting.
Okay. So, आपने कुछ मतलब ऐसे ट्रेनिंग दिया रोशनी को, सी इज ओके विद
शुरू तो मैंने किया था उसे जिंगल लोग आती थी
हम लोगों की सबसे बड़ी where we failed, that's our area of failure. We failed her because none of us can sing.
नहीं लेकिन जनगण मन मैंने ही सिखाया
आंटी ने सिखाया है, आप मना नहीं कर सकते अंकल, आंटी ने सिखाया
तो हम नहीं हम सिखाना और गाना अलग चीज है.
अच्छा.
So बहुत सी चीजें सिखाई इन्होंने, लेकिन गाना, that was in her, and she spotted that she can sing.
Can sing.
So we went on this. We found it was her strength. So we started. We got the teachers, regular teachers, हफ्ते में 3 दिन, and gradually now she can sing very well in Bengali songs, English songs. We got a Western teacher who comes with a guitar, and she sings with him in guitar. She will not go for any instruments. We tried her, she wouldn't accept it. Only singing is her forte.
Singing. Okay. So the basic thing is हमें try करना चाहिए कि हमें try करना चाहिए कि हमारे बच्चे में क्या खूबियां हैं, right अंकल?
हाँ,
हमें देखते रहना चाहिए.
देखते रहना चाहिए.
तो हमारे बच्चे बहुत वंडर कर सकते हैं.
बहुत कर सकते हैं.
So what are your opinion, auntie? Like आप आपको क्या क्या हर्डल्स आया? अंकल ने अपना पार्ट बोल दिया, अब मैं आंटी से सुनूंगी. तो आंटी will tell us like
हर्डल कोई नहीं, जो काम करना था उसको करने में और बच्चों के साथ 2 दिन में हो जाता था, इनके साथ 2 महीने में हुआ.
2 महीने लगता था. हाँ.
Only one job which I was able to do in flat 3 days, to make her wash herself after potty.
Okay, that's so nice.
She learned in 3 days only. That is the only thing. Otherwise, all other jobs, she took more time. That is another thing.
So,
Thank you
uncle
so
and
much.
auntie, as we,
Hello?
yeah, auntie.
Are.
Yeah. So, any advice you want to give to the grandparents, as you are the example for all the grandparents that they should step in to the and do love their grandparents, whatever they are, and help
Loves
us.
everybody.
Grandparents
Love.
have a
always.
natural love for their grandchildren.
Yeah.
So
That's
that is not in question. Question is
to step
involvement.
in and work.
Step in and involvement.
Involvement.
Maybe, I don't know, because I have not talked to many grandparents really, but maybe some hesitation. If I do, because their way of doing things were different. Next generation's way of doing things are different. So their way may not be acceptable. Or parents themselves may be thinking, अरे कहाँ पापा मम्मी को तकलीफ देते यार, वो नहीं कर पाएंगे, बूढ़े हो गए हैं and all that. So these are things, but I personally feel grandparents should come in. They should provide the support to their own children.
That's true, uncle. And any advices you want to give to parents, to new parents, as nowadays a lot of things are there, but still, as you know, when we come to this world, there are a lot of things we don't know. Like, so that's what, any advices you want to give to any parents, new parents, anyone?
Well, my one thing is, number one, you accept the issue of your child and accept unconditionally. Number one. Number two, autism is not a disease. It is a way of thinking. There, how the brain is wired. So don't look for cure. People start talking, so this will cure, do this, do that. Don't fall in the trap.
Correct.
And one thing vehemently I will say about, which is nowadays is a fashion, stem cell. People,
Lot
parents,
of things are girl stem cell.
lot of things.
biomedical,
HBOT, bio karo, this
lot
karo,
of
wo karo, sab karo. Lot of things. Don't look for, parents should not spend that time, energy, and money on this. That money can better be utilized other way around.
Yeah. That's true.
One more thing.
Yes, auntie.
Don't feel depressed that why it is with me.
Yeah, that's very important. Why me? With us that question came when we learned about it. That question never cropped up in front of us. Rather, it was, well, it can happen to anybody. It has happened to me. It has happened to me. And that famous quote, that tennis player, what is it, Ash, or somebody said it, when he got AIDS, he was in hospital, and his one of the fans asked, why it has happened with you? He said, 50 lakh children start tennis from the childhood. And gradually, in the final, there are only 2 people in the final, reached final. And when I was holding the trophy, I never asked God,
why me?
God, why me?
That's
So
true.
today, when I got AIDS, why should I ask him why me?
Why me? That's
That is a guiding factor, guiding principle of life.
Yeah, that's true, uncle. Seriously, we should at least think that no, it's good that it's me.
And one
It happened.
And one
Yes,
more
auntie.
thing,
Yes, auntie.
work with your child patiently.
Mm.
Don't get irritated or don't think it is not working. It will work.
It will work. Yes.
It will work.
Auntie, one question, just one queries of mine. Like, as I am also a teenage boy mom. So when Rosni is in her teenage, so did you find anything like any changes with Roshni and
Yes,
how
do
you?
with girls also this happens. Puberty comes and then things
So
change.
how you
Be-
deal with it
No,
along with
they
Roshni?
should be when they want some personal time. They should be allowed to go to their own room.
Hmm.
Go, go. Whatever you want to do in your room.
Hmm.
And we have never allowed Roshni to sleep with anybody from the very childhood. When she was 3, 4 years, she has been sleeping separately in a separate room.
Hmm.
This helps a lot.
Hmm.
They know, actually, they also know we are having some urge and we should not do in the public.
In public, yeah.
You first time you notice it, you send the child to his room.
Hmm.
Go
Then after
there.
after that, it
Go to your
will
room.
come
Go
through
to your
there.
room. Very, very softly, very lovingly tell, go to your room. And they will come after that themselves from the room when their urge is finished. So there is nothing bad in it to have urge, but it should not be publicly. So encourage them to do that there in their room, a
It's
private space.
it's so nice and it's so lovely to listen to you, uncle and auntie. And truly, you, uncle and auntie, you are example for today's world. That nowadays, yeah, I have seen many parents are also becoming depressed, frustrated. They don't want to why me comes with everyone. Even when I also came to this world, as I call this is a different world. So the normal question is why we came,
Why me?
but you have given one great example, uncle. So we should not say why me. We should say that it's good that it's me because I have that patience and we can do. If uncle, auntie are there to help you, guys, uncle is very vocal. He is there in many groups. You can ask your queries. Uncle is there to help you. And thank you so much, Uncle. Thank you so much, Auntie, for sharing the lovely journey of Roshni's. We want to know some more details of Roshni's.
Like,
As I said, that Roshni is it's singing very well, and Auntie has told that she is doing all the household chores. So
And
anything
she
else?
thinks that it to be her responsibility.
Yeah, that's good.
She thinks it to be her responsibility. And if you try to help her out, she will snatch, I will do. She never allows her responsibility to be shared by anybody else.
And Roshni is fully independent,
Yes,
20 years old
absolutely.
girl now, young lady.
No,
yeah.
now she helps me in Corona time. She has helped me a lot
Okay.
when maids were not coming.
Yeah, that's true. That's so nice that someone is there to help us.
Yeah. Now this is little bit being, she is being little that one. I was also there to help her.
आप अंकल को छोड़ दे रहे हैं आंटी आपने तो कितना
बताओ।
हेल्प
कोई
किया है
खाने पकाया हुआ खाने के लिए भी तो होना चाहिए.
हाँ okay, thank you so much, uncle and auntie, for
Thank you.
sharing your
Thank you, Manisha, for this
Thank you.
opportunity to talk to you. It was very nice to see you and to talk to you.
thank you so
It was
much,
very nice.
uncle.
Thank you very much. Now,